Perhaps the most compelling evidence of early culture is hidden deep beneath the earth. While we may not know exactly why humans painted in these caves, we can now make a guess as to how. Archaeologist Michel Blanchet has studied the techniques of cave art. He thinks some of the images were rendered by a process he calls spit painting.
Spit painting must have had very important symbolic significance.
Through experimentation, he's been able to reproduce the technique of early artists. By mixing pigment with saliva, he believes they achieved a bonding compound to last long after they were gone.
It's not at all like painting on canvas. It's quite different. The cave is full of shapes, natural shapes. The cave is extremely, it's exceptional, it's beautiful.
And what might renderings of wild goats and sheep painted in these eerie recesses tell us about the mind's Big Bang?
This is the first manifestation of human imagination. Modern men tend to make their imprint on the landscape, on the territory. So it's why they penetrated in the deepest part of the earth. It's like to express themselves, to say that we are the owner of the earth in some way, and we have some relationship, personal relationship with the spirit living inside the earth.
In other corners of these caves, Blanchet has found artifacts made of bone and a pattern of wear in the rocks that lead him to speculate these cave explorers also made music.
I have the feeling to be in a cathedral here, a big cathedral, an important cathedral.
So, below and above ground, our ancestors were refining technology and art and communicating in complex ways. And it appears as if these changes occurred almost overnight. How could it have happened?
My own view is that there was a brain change, that there was a genetic change that promoted the fully modern human brain, that allowed the kind of innovation and invention, the ability to innovate and invent, that is a characteristic of modern humans. If you accept the idea that there was a neurological change 50,000 years ago and that this was rooted in biology, it would just become the latest, the most recent in a long series of mutations on which natural selection operated to produce the human species as we understand it today.
It's very likely that the changes in the brain didn't happen overnight. There wasn't one magical mutation that